Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining and taking the time out to watch this video. I'm going to show you how to make a nice breakfast sandwich. Here's some of my ingredients. I'm going to start with the eggs. I like to remove the gem first. That's something common that Haitians do. They remove this part of the egg, the white part that you see there, from the egg before they whisk it. So that's something I, go ahead and I do myself. I'm going to go ahead and season my eggs with the powders that I really love, the seasoning powders I enjoy, like pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, all of that. So if you're not too much of a garlic person or onion person, you don't have to add this. Everything will be optional. I didn't really use any measurements. I went ahead and seasoned with what my ancestors told me to season it with. I'm joking. But here I am giving it a good whisk, making sure I got all my seasons in there. We don't want anything to go to waste. We want this well seasoned, really good, not just no salt and pepper over here. I don't care what anyone says. So I have my onions here that I already chopped up. The oil was already at a good temp where I could go ahead and have my onions cooked. So as you can see that right there, I love how the onions get a nice little color to it before I add my eggs in there. So I just wait for, maybe 3 minutes or so, or until the golden color shows up. And then I go from there and I can add my eggs. This is the color I was talking about. This is to my liking. Like I said, if you're not an onions person, you don't have to add that to it. So I add my eggs to the pan. I only used 2 eggs for this, and this is enough for 2 people. Later on in the video, you're going to see how I go ahead and I actually cut the, I guess you could call it an omelet by the time I flip it. I cut it in half and I put it on the bagel because that is too much egg. To me, for one person, this will be too much. So after that, I go ahead and I add my shredded cheese. I usually like to add, shred the cheese myself. But this morning we was just hungry. So we didn't have time to do all that extra fanciness. If you want a real fancy egg video, a sandwich video, let me know and I'll fancy it up for you. So here I am making sure that the cheese is really melted by taking my spatula and pressing down on it, because I want to make sure everything is melted and really good. Make sure I flip it. Make sure both sides are how I like it. See that? Look at that action. Look at it. It looks so good already. Then, since the pan is already oiled and everything from, cooking the onions, I like to put my bagels in the pan and press it down with my spatula, because I like for my bagels to have a nice color to it too, and to kind of be toasted in a sense with all that seasoning and all that. I already had this bacon cooked, so that's why you didn't see it in the video. So I'm going to go ahead. I layered my egg on top of my bagel with my bacon. Take the spatula, press it down, and this is the color that I like for it to be. That means it's really nice. It's toasted. It's so good. It's so good. I'm telling you, you will not regret this. Tell me how you like this. Give me my props. Leave the comments. Leave your comment in the section. Thumbs up this video. And this is the outcome of my sandwich. Does it not look good? You have to try this. I'm going to put everything in the description box. It's going to be everything, honey. Listen, tell me how you enjoy this. Until next time, I'll see y'all around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Have a great morning. Have a great afternoon, evening, and everything. Bye.